See students, see the question number 15. So what is the question number 15 is? So see the question number 15. So what is that question is? Find the position vector. Find the position vector of a point R which divides the line joining two points P and Q whose position vectors are I plus 2j minus k bar and minus I plus j plus k bar respectively in the ratio 2:1 internally as well as externally. So they are asking you have to calculate the point R which divides the joining of a 2 points PQ bar line segment in the ratio 2:1 internally and externally. So I am already given the formula. What is that? If R divides PQ in the ratio m:n, if this position vector is A bar and the position vector is B bar, then what happens? OR bar, the position vector of R is equal to MB bar plus NA bar by M plus N if it is internally, and externally is OR bar is equal to MB bar minus NA bar by M minus N. So that meaning is that R divides PQ bar, the line PQ bar in the ratio m:n internally, and the position vector of P is A bar and the position vector of Q is B bar, then the position vector of R bar, it will become MB plus NA by M plus N. And if R is external point, that is externally divides, then R bar is equal to MB minus NA by M minus N. I am already given the proof of this theorem, very important one. So practice that theorem also, okay. So here we have to calculate these two. So first what I will take, that one is, first I will take this is let A bar is equal to, it is the position vector of P, that is equal to, and I will take this is the B bar, that is the position vector of OQ. OP bar I am taking it as A bar. What is that one? I plus 2j minus k. What is the B bar? B bar is nothing but OQ bar, that is equal to, what is that vector is? Minus I plus j plus k. Just once check that points. I plus 2j minus k minus I plus j plus k, okay, that is the ratio. So here we have to take that, let R be a point whose position vector is R bar, whose position vector is R bar, that is OR bar, we can take it as R bar, okay. So given, what is the question is given? Given, first case, given R divides PQ bar in the ratio 2:1 internally. So what they are given, that first R divides a PQ bar in the ratio 2:1 internally. Then, so what is the R bar? R bar is equal to MB bar plus NA bar by M plus N. So that implies R bar is equal to M. What is the M? This is the M and this is the n. Okay, so m value is a 2 into b bar vector is minus I plus j plus k plus n is nothing but 1 into a bar is nothing but I plus 2j minus k by m plus n is nothing but the 2 plus 1. So that implies r bar is equal to, multiply that, minus 2i plus 2j plus 2k plus I plus 2j minus k by 3. So what happens? That implies r cap is equal to minus 2i plus I, that is the minus I, 2j plus 2j, that is the 4j, 2k minus k, that is nothing but a plus k by 3. Therefore the position vector of r is r bar is equal to minus 1 by 3 into I cap plus 4 by 3 into j cap plus 1 by 3 into k cap. So this is the internally. Similarly, what is the second case? What we will calculate that? So that is nothing but the second case is given r divides PQ bar in the ratio, what is the ratio is 2:1 externally, 2:1 externally. So what happens? Then r bar is equal to, what is the formula is mb bar minus na bar by m minus n. So that implies r bar is equal to m. So m is the 2 and n is the 1. So 2 into b bar. What is the b bar vector is minus I plus j plus k minus n value is a 1 into a bar vector is I plus 2j minus k cap whole by 2 minus 1. So what happens? That implies r bar is equal to, take inside 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap minus I cap minus 2j cap minus of minus plus k cap by 2 minus 1 is a 1. So that implies r cap is equal to minus 2 minus I, that is minus 2 minus 2i minus I, that is nothing but the minus 3i, minus 2j plus 2j will be cancelled, that is the 0j, 2k plus k, that is nothing but 3k cap. So therefore the position vector of r is r bar is equal to minus 3i cap plus 3k cap. So see that, students. So r is a point that divides AB, that is the PQ, in the ratio m:n internally and externally. Just use the formula mb plus na by m plus n and mb minus na by m minus n. So practice that question. See the question number 17. So what is that question number 17 is? See the Question number 17. Show that the points A, comma, B and C with position vectors. What is the position vectors are? A bar is equal to 3i minus 4j minus 4k, and B bar is equal to 2i minus j plus k cap, and C bar is equal to I minus 3j minus 5k. So what is the question is, show that the points A, capital A, B, C with position vectors. That meaning is, the position vector of A meaning is OA bar is A bar. OB bar, that is the position vector of OA, that is OA bar is equal to A bar. OB bar is equal to B bar. OC bar is equal to C bar. The position vectors of A is A bar, B bar, C bar. That meaning is OA bar, OB bar, OC bar is given. So what is the question is, respectively, from the vertices of a right angle triangle, form the vertices of a right angle triangle. We have to show that it forms a right angle triangle. So what is that? How can you prove that one? A triangle is a right angle triangle. You have to show that one angle is a right angle. So how to prove that one? So we have to take that the squares of two sides, the sum of the squares of two sides is equal to third side. Then we can say that the given triangle is a right angled triangle. The sum of the squares of two sides is equal to the square of the third side, then we can say that the given triangle is a right angle triangle. So first you have to calculate the sides AB, BC, CA. Then you have to calculate mod AB, mod BC, mod CA. Then calculate mod AB square, mod BC square, mod CA square. Then you have to identify the relation between these three. If we will get that the sum of the squares of our two sides is equal to square of the third side, then we can declare that the given points forms a right angle triangle. Okay. So see that question, students. So how to solve that one? So first they are already given this. So what is that? OA bar, the position vector of A is A bar, the position vector of B is a B bar, and the position vector of C is a C bar is given. So first I will calculate that AB bar. What is the AB bar? AB bar is nothing but OB bar minus OA bar. OB bar minus OA bar. So that is equal to, what is the OB bar? OB bar is nothing but this value. That is nothing but 2i minus j plus k minus OA bar. Apply the minus for this one, what it will become? Minus OA. OA bar is this one. Minus OA it will become minus 3i minus of minus plus 4j minus of minus plus 4k bar. Just multiply minus 3j plus 4j plus 4k. So just add the terms here, what we will get that 2i minus 3j, that is the minus I minus j plus 3j, that is the plus 4j, that is nothing but 3j plus k plus 4k, that is nothing but 5k bar. So next I will calculate that mod AB bar whole square. Mod AB bar whole square, that is nothing but, mod AB is nothing but the square root of x square. X square is nothing but minus 1 whole square plus 3 square plus 5 square whole square. So mod AB is nothing but root of x square plus y square plus z square. Already I am taken the square here, so take the square. So that implies what happens? The square and the root will be cancelled. It will become 1 plus 9 plus 25. So that is nothing but 35. What is this value? Mod AB square value. Similarly, what we will calculate BC and CA also. Next, I will calculate BC value. What is the BC value? Is BC bar. BC bar is nothing but OC bar minus OB bar. BC, OC minus OB. So what is the OC value? That is the C vector. That is nothing but I minus 3j minus 5k. So minus OB, OB bar vector is this one, minus OB bar vector, multiply with minus here, what we will get that, minus 2i, minus of minus plus j, minus k bar. So what happens, students, I minus 2i, that is minus I cap, minus 3j plus j, that is minus 2j cap, minus 5k minus k, that is nothing but minus 6k cap. So that is equal to, that is the value of I minus 2i is a minus I, minus 3j plus j is a minus 2j, minus 5k minus k, minus 6k. So next calculate that mod BC bar whole square, mod BC bar whole square. What is that? Square root of minus 1 whole square x square y square minus 2 whole square plus z square minus 6 whole square. That is the whole square. So the square and the root will be cancelled. You will get that 1 plus 4 plus 36. So that is equal to 41. So PC is over. Next I will calculate that a CA bar vector. What is the CA bar vector? Is CA bar is equal to OA bar minus OC bar. So what is the OA bar? OA bar is nothing but 3i minus 4j minus 4k minus, what is the OC bar? OC bar is here, just apply the minus. What happens? Minus I minus of minus plus 3j minus of minus plus 5k. So what happens? That is equal to 3i minus I, it will become 2i minus 4j plus 3j, so that it will become minus j, minus 4k plus 5k, it will become plus k cap. So mod CA bar whole square, mod CA bar whole square is square root of 2 square plus minus 1 square plus 1 square. So that is also whole square. What happens? That is equal to, the square and the root will be cancelled, that is the 4 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 6. So what I will conclude that therefore, so see this one, this is the 35 and this is the 6. If you can add these two, that is the 41, this value is here. So what I will take these sum of these two values. What is that one? Is a mod AB square plus, therefore mod AB square plus mod CA square is equal to, mod AB square is a 35 plus mod CA square is a 6. So that is equal to 41. So that is equal to, what is this value? This value is nothing but mod BC square. So therefore what we can declare, that mod AB bar whole square plus mod CA bar whole square is equal to mod BC bar whole square. Therefore the points A comma B comma C are the vertices of a right angled triangle. Are understand, students? So where is the right angle? Right angle is at A. Are understand that? So what is that? Angle A is 90 degrees. Are understand that? Angle A is 90 degrees. What is the common term is here in these two? A. So that meaning is the triangle forms the right angle at a 90, that is at the vertex A. Okay. So see students, so how to calculate that if 3 points are given. So what I have to calculate that? So first you can take the position vectors, then calculate the sides, magnitude of the sides. So mod AB whole square and mod BC whole square and mod CA whole square, and I am identified what is the relation between mod AB square plus mod CA square is nothing but mod BC square. So we can declare that. So the points A, B, C are the vertices of a right angle triangle. So where is the right angle is? Right angle is at A, at the vertex A. Okay, see that question. See the next question, question number 18. See the next question, question number 18. So what is the question number 18 is? See the question number 18. So they are given one triangle. So in the triangle ABC, so what is the triangle is that? So one triangle is given, that is the A, B, C, and that is nothing but here. So they are asking some questions. So what is the first question is? The first question is AB bar plus BC bar plus CA bar is equal to 0. Second question, AB bar plus BC bar minus AC bar is equal to 0 bar. Third question, AB bar plus BC bar minus CA bar is equal to 0 bar. AB bar minus CB bar plus CA bar is equal to 0 bar. So what is the question? In the triangle ABC, which of the following is not true? Which of the following is not true? So in this question they are asking which of the following is not true. So first you have to see that if AB bar is a vector is there, AB bar is a vector, AB bar can be written as minus of BA bar. I am already given. Otherwise, BA bar you can written as minus AB bar. If the direction is changed, automatically you will get the negative. I understand that BA bar, if you are changing the direction to AB, then you will get the negative. If AB bar is there, if you change the direction, you will get the negative. It will become minus BA bar. Okay. So and also I am already told that one. If you are taken the sides of the triangle by the order, so automatically the sum will become 0. I am already given one note point. If you are taken the sides of the triangle by order, if you can take the order A, B, B, C, C, A, if you are taken the sum, it will become 0. Okay. And also we know that the triangle of vectors. What is that one? AB plus BC, it will become AC. So two conditions already you know that. AB plus BC, it will become AC. And also we know that in the triangle, if you are taken the orders in the pair, that is in the successive order, so AB plus BC plus CA, it will become 0. Okay. So see that conditions here, we will calculate that. So see the first condition. What is the first condition is AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0, yes or no? So that is first one is we know that in the triangle, we know that first condition, we know that in the triangle ABC, in the triangle ABC, so already know the condition. What is that? Sides AB, BC, CA. If you are taking that AB bar plus BC bar plus CA bar is equal to 0 bar. Why? Because these are in order. Yes or no? The sum of the order, that is the sum of the sides of in order of the triangle, if you are taken, the sum will become 0. So that is nothing but AB bar plus BC bar CA bar is equal to 0. So what is the question they are asking? Which is not true. Which is not true. But already this is the true. Yes or no? This statement is true. This statement is true. So this is not the given option. What they are asking? Not to true option they are asking. So this is the true. So this is not asking. So check the second condition. What is that? So see the condition number 2. What is that? AB plus BC minus AC is equal to 0. We know that the triangle of vectors So what is that? AB plus BC bar, AB bar plus BC bar, it will become AC bar. AB plus BC, it will become AC. The net displacement is nothing but AC bar. Already you know this condition. So from this one, what I will take that implies AB bar plus BC bar, take this term to this side, what it will become? Minus AC bar is equal to 0 bar. So this is the second condition. Yes or no? So from this one, therefore, this statement is true. This statement is true. So that meaning is it is also true. But in the question they are asking, which one is not true? That is the question. Okay, this is also true, this is also true. So this is not the options. So what is that? I will check that condition number C. So what is the condition number C is? See that one, third option. We know that by the triangle of vectors, law of vectors, what is that? AB bar plus BC bar is equal to AC bar. Already you know this condition. Okay. So in this term, consider this value. What is that? Consider AB plus BC, AB bar plus BC bar minus CA bar is equal to 0 bar. This is the condition they are asking. Okay. So here that implies AB plus BC will become AC bar minus CA bar from 1. Yes or no? So that implies that is equal to 0 bar. So that implies AC bar you can written as AC bar. If you can change the direction, it will become minus. Already minus is there, it will become plus AC bar is equal to 0. That implies 2 into AC bar is equal to 0. That implies AC bar is equal to 0 bar. So one side is 0. The triangle one side is 0. It is not possible that. So what we can take that AC bar is equal to 0. Therefore this statement is not true. This statement is not true. Why? Because if you are taken the statement, if you are continue that AC bar is becoming 0 bar, that meaning is one side is 0. One side is becoming the 0 of the triangle. So this statement is not true. So this is the given. Ask that what is the question they are asking. This is the option is that one. And also we will check the fourth condition also. What is the fourth condition is? That is the D. So what is that one? A, B, C, A and is equal to 0. Already we know that we know that AB bar, if you are taken the sides of the triangle in order, AB plus BC plus CA bar is equal to 0. If you are taken the sides in order, then the sum will become 0. That is the 0 vector. Already you know this one. That implies AB bar, if you are change the direction, BC bar, if you are change the direction, then automatically it will become minus CB bar plus CA bar is equal to 0. AB bar minus CB bar plus CA bar is equal to 0. Why? Because since BC bar is equal to minus CB bar. If you are change the direction, you will get the minus. Already minus, that is the plus, it will become the minus CB bar. Therefore, what we can declare that this statement is true. This statement is true. So therefore, answer, what is the answer is? Answer is nothing but option C. Option C. See that one once again. So first they are given one triangle, they are asking 4 conditions, they are asking which one is not true. Which one is not true? First we have to see that AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0 or not. Already we know that in the triangle ABC, the sum of the sides are in order. The sum of the sides of the triangle in order, it will become 0. So AB, BC, CA, it will become 0. So the first condition is true. So this is not the option. Next, second condition. Already you know the triangle of vectors. So what is that? AB plus BC is equal to AC. So this AC, just to take to this side, it will become minus AC bar. So that is the statement number 2. So that meaning is the statement 2 is also true. So observe the option 3. AB plus BC is equal to AC from the triangle of vectors. So already you know this condition. I will use this condition in the given problem. Okay. AB plus BC minus CA is equal to 0. This statement is given already. If this is true, I am continuing that. AB plus BC value is nothing but AC bar minus this CA bar. You can change the direction. It will become AC bar. Yes or no? If you are changing the direction of this vector, it will become minus. Already minus is there, it will become plus. So AC bar. AC bar plus AC bar, it will become 2 AC bar. So 2 into AC bar is nothing but AC bar is a 0 vector. But one side is a 0, it will become the 0. So it is not possible that. So that's why this statement is not true. Why? Because if you are taking the wrong statement, so that's why you are getting this one. So that's why the given statement is wrong. Are you understand, students? So you are getting the wrong. Why? Because I understand that this is you are getting this value, it is not possible. It is not possible. It is not possible. It is not possible. So that's why the given statement is not true. So see the option D. So what is that one is? So already we know the condition that AB plus BC plus CA is equal to 0 bar. The sum of the sides of the triangle in order, it will become 0. So AB plus BC plus CA, it will become 0. So AB bar, just BC bar, if you can change the direction, it will become minus CB bar. So this is the statement number D. So that meaning is nothing but the statement D is also true. So what is the question? Each one is not true. What is that not true? That is the third option. The third option is not true. So they are given the A, B, C actually. So you can take A and this is the B and you can take this is the C actually. So this is C option, that is option is nothing but C only. Okay. See the question number 19. So what is the question number 19 is, if A bar and B bar are two collinear vectors, then which of the following are not correct? Which of the following is not correct? See the first one. So in that question, first option is that B bar is equal to lambda into A bar for some scalar lambda, and the second one is A bar is equal to plus or minus B bar, and the third one is the respective components, of A bar and B bar are proportional. So change this option here. Not proportional is given in the textbook. So change that one. Are proportional. So not proportional is printed there. So are proportional. So change that question. That is the option. This is are proportional. Okay. So see the next one is both the vectors A bar and B bar have same direction, but a different magnitude, So see that question, different magnitude. See that question, students. So already given that. So what is that? A bar comma B bar are collinear. So A bar or B bar are collinear. This is the options they are given that. Which one is not correct? The wrong answer you have to take. So already we know that. So first we have to identify what is the collinear is. A collinear is nothing but two vectors are said to be collinear if the two vectors are parallel to the same line. It has both have the different magnitudes and different direction. It is not the matter. Direction and the magnitude is not the matter. If the two lines are parallel to the same line, we can say that the two lines are collinear. The direction of this line is in this way and the direction of this line is in this way, but the magnitude are different. But these two lines are collinear. That meaning is collinear is not the direction and the magnitude. It is not depending upon. Okay. So and also we know the conditions. What is that? If A bar and B bar are two collinear vectors, A bar and B bar are two collinear vectors, then we can say that A bar is equal to and B bar is equal to, we can represent it as B bar is equal to lambda into A bar. Otherwise, we can take it as A bar is equal to 1 by lambda into B bar. Yes or no? B bar is equal to lambda into A bar, or A bar is equal to 1 by lambda into B bar. If we can take this value as a K, so we can represent it as A is equal to K into B bar also. Yes or no? B bar is equal to lambda into A bar. A bar is equal to 1 by lambda into B bar. So A bar is equal to K into B bar. Yes or no? So we can take it as here. So that is nothing but these are the conditions. And also if the two vectors are given, what is the conditions? B1 by A1 is equal to B2 by A2, that is equal to B3 by A3. So the components are proportional also. If the vectors are collinear, the components are proportional, and we can take these conditions. First, see the first option. What is the first option is given A bar comma B bar are collinear by the definition. Already know that implies B bar is equal to lambda into A bar, comma lambda is a scalar. This statement is true. This statement is true. Yes or no? By the definition of the collinear, I am already given that if A bar comma B bar are collinear, B bar can be represented as some scalar into A bar. So we can say that the two vectors are collinear, then we can take this condition. So that's why it is a true. So second B. If lambda is equal to plus or minus 1, if lambda is equal to plus or minus 1, then what happens? Then B bar is equal to plus or minus A bar, and also we can take it as A bar is equal to plus or minus b bar also. B bar is equal to lambda, the b bar is equal to plus or minus a, automatically a bar is also plus or minus b. So automatically this statement is also true. This statement is also, this statement is true. So see the third one. So what is the third one is option 3. Option 3. So what is that one? Option C. Option C. What is that? If a bar is equal to a1i plus a2j plus a3k, comma b bar is equal to b1i plus b2j plus b3k. So are collinear. Are collinear. That implies, already you know the condition, b1 by a1 is equal to b2 by a2 is equal to b3 by a3, that is equal to some scalar. That is nothing but what is the meaning is that the respective components of a and b are proportional. The respective components of a and b are proportional. Proportional, yes or no? So this is also true. So this statement is true. This statement is true. So see the fourth one. So what is the fourth one is both the vectors a bar and b bar have same direction but different magnitude. Same direction but different magnitude. So here we can take that these two. What is the question is, if a bar comma b bar are collinear, if a bar b bar are collinear, then what they are saying that a bar and b bar have same direction but different magnitude. Same direction but different magnitude. I am taking, for example, I am taking the two vectors here. See this one. This is the a vector. This is the a bar vector. This is the b bar vector. So what we are observed, this is the b bar vector. So what you are observed here, see that one, see the example. So here clearly a bar and b bar, clearly a bar comma b bar are collinear, but see that one, a bar and b bar are collinear or not? Why? Because this vector is parallel to this line and this vector is also parallel to this line. So both the vectors are parallel to the same line, then we can say that the two lines are collinear, yes or no? So that is the definition. So here, but what I am observed that a bar and b bar, a bar comma b bar have same magnitude, that is we can take that as same magnitude also here. So both have the same magnitude, have different directions. So I am taking the two vectors here, two vectors, both the vectors are collinear, but the directions are different. The directions are different. What they are saying that if a comma b are collinear, they are saying that both the vectors have the same direction. But here I am taking the two vectors here, both the vectors are collinear but different directions. So that's why the statement D is not correct. Therefore, the statement is not true. So what is the option they are asking? Option they are asking which one is not correct. That is nothing but option D is the answer. See that question once again, students. We will continue in the next class.